Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3-layered aesthetic video edit on CapCut PC. So grab your video and you're just going to select I'm just going to select the 3:4 ratio and I'm just going to make the video smaller. Actually, I might just select the 9:16 one. Then I'm going to add in 3 videos like so. Just try to have it the same size as well, which is a little bit. Okay, how much did I scale it? 83. Oh, I scaled it kind of the same here. I'm just going to have this in the middle like so, and I'm just going to have that at the top. Actually, I might have this in the middle because it's the different scenery, and the rest is on a beach, so I might just change that. And I'm going to start with the first one, okay, it's this one right here. And I'm going to add in a filter going from a black and white filter to a colored one. Hopefully I can just add it to the video. And I'm just going to keyframe it here, put it at 100, and then here I'm going to put it at 0. And then here as well, I'm going to do the same thing to the second one first. Put it to 0 and then have it from 100 to 0. Where's that keyframe? And I'm going to put it here. Then lastly, we have this one. Again, put it to 100% and then right about here-ish, I want to make it to 0. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye!